How to use instant voice messages. In addition to traditional voice messages, WhatsApp offers a faster and more immediate feature, instant voice messages. These are short audio messages that you can send directly within a chat without having to hold down the microphone as with traditional voice messages. To use them, simply open the conversation with the person you want to message and tap the microphone icon in the text bar, next to the send button. With a single tap, WhatsApp will begin recording an instant voice message that will last a few seconds, perfect for quickly communicating a quick piece of information without having to type. Once recorded, the message will be sent automatically, without further confirmation. When receiving an instant voice message, your contact will see it appear in a circular format within the chat, immediately distinguishing it from a normal audio message. This is a very useful feature for quick, direct conversations, almost as if you were sending a flash voice note.